Linden, one of the oldest assembly plants outside of Detroit, and yet the newest hope for General Motors' future in the automobile industry. For Linden stands at the forefront of the company's determination to meet the challenge of domestic and foreign competition. Meeting this kind of challenge is nothing new to Linden. Opened towards the end of the Depression, the plant was faced with an auto sales market which dropped to just 15% of projected figures during Linden's first full year of operations. Linden survived, but after only 4 years of climbing back to full production, automobile assembly was halted. America was at war. In 1941, the Linden plant began to convert from automobile to aircraft production. September of 1942 saw the first flight of a Linden-built Wildcat fighter plane. During the existence of the new Eastern Aircraft Division, Linden was to build a total of 5,928 Wildcats. When the war ended, Linden faced another monumental task, the conversion back to car production. In the years that followed, Linden manufactured millions of Buicks, Oldsmobiles, Pontiacs, and Cadillacs, many of them models which had been problem children at other plants and had been switched to Linden to straighten out the production bugs which plagued them. In 1985, the plant was again taken offline, this time for conversion into one of the most up-to-date assembly plants in the world. Ready to manufacture the new generation of General Motors vehicles, which will carry us into the 21st century. The new 4-door Corsica and 2-door Beretta are not just new vehicles. They're embodiments of GM's new philosophy. Build a quality, affordable car to meet the demands of an intelligent and informed customer. Cars able to meet and beat the competition. Quality is the key to success, and do it right the first time is the rule at Linden. The plant's long history of meeting challenges and overcoming problems makes the new Linden the place to fulfill General Motors' promise of a brighter tomorrow. Today, we face the same opponents, but this time in an economic war spanning the world's oceans, and with battles to be fought on the home front. Advanced technology provides the weapons. All of us working together provides the way. The new Linden and the people who work here are ready and willing to fulfill the General Motors promise of quality-built, competitively priced cars, ready to take on the rest of the world and win.
Listen to the heartbeat of America. Listen to the heartbeat of America.
Listen to the heartbeat of America. Listen to the heartbeat of America. Oh yeah.
It's the rhythm on the road. It's the pulse on the